Hey guys, this is Camden with CCC Telecom. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install TeamViewer on Google Chrome. Later we'll have another video titled how to install TeamViewer using Firefox, which just has a few differences. First things first, we'll go ahead and open up Google Chrome and go to TeamViewer.com. You can also access the site in our description. Now you'll go ahead and click download for free. Automatically in the bottom left you should see the download start. In cases where that doesn't happen, you could always use the direct download link. Once the download is complete, you can click it straight from your Google Chrome. You're going to want to use default installation, click accept and next. And you're going to get a pop-up for your user account control and make sure you click yes. Unfortunately with the recording, you probably just saw a black screen there, but I'll try and include a picture of what that should look like for you. So you want to use the free version for personal use and click finish. And now you know how to install your TeamViewer. If you have any questions regarding this or anything else for the matter, make sure to leave a comment and we'll be sure to address it whether in a video or a response to your comment. Have a wonderful day.